Well, it's that time of year again, isn't it? A week until Christmas, and I'm so excited to be bringing you the last Magic with Gadgets podcast episode of the year. And thank you for all your support of Magic with Gadgets and Kitchen Gadgets Club over this year. It's amazing, and I love chatting to you about my love of kitchen gadgets. So do tell me what you're up to. It's just a week now until Christmas, of course. And do you have any favourite Christmas songs or Christmas traditions that you like to do? And my favourite Christmas song is Do They Know It's Christmas? I absolutely love that. And when it was like mid-November and all the songs were starting playing on the radio, I'm like, it's too soon, I'm not going to sing along. And then that song came on and I just couldn't help myself. It takes me back to Christmas 2004. I remember when it was re-released, and it was the Christmas #1 that year because we were living in Manchester at the time. Kyle was 3, and you know, like the way they sing, it's Christmas time. He used to go, time, time. Each time they said time, he said time. And it was just so cute. It was the cutest thing ever. And this Christmas, it's the usual 5 of us. George is 9, and it's lovely that he still believes. Sophia's 11 and is disgusted by the idea, but she does the good thing for a bro. And Kyle's 24, and of course he still believes. And we're just excited for watching them opening up the Christmas presents, and we've got some nice treats in store for them as well, so we're looking forward to that. And of course it's not until a couple of days before Christmas then we fully decide what we're going to cook. We love the cauliflower cheese and the roast potatoes, of course, and the parsnips and the carrots. But we can never really decide which meat we fancy. We kind of go between, gammon is one of our favourites. We also love some turkey. But we normally have so much turkey in the run up to Christmas, showing you different ways how to cook it, that by the time Christmas comes, turkey no longer feels special at all. So it'd be interesting to see what we have this year. But I think we'll probably either have gammon, or I'll do some chicken thighs wrapped in bacon and add some stuffing in the middle so that it can be lovely, like a chicken stuffing roll. I think I might do that in the air fryer, but I haven't fully decided yet. And this has been a long year, or it feels like it, because we've done our cookbook for you. So it's called the Complete Multi-Cooker Cookbook. It's out on March the 26th in the UK. So not long to wait now, and of course it's got some absolute brilliance in there. It's great if you've got a different kitchen gadget, such as a multi-cooker, where you've got an all-in-one cooking pot, which slow cooks, air fries and pressure cooks. But it's also great if you've got individual gadgets. So if you've got an Instant Pot and an air fryer, which I know applies to many of our readers, then it's perfect for that. But it's amazing to say, a year ago, we hadn't even thought about doing one on the multi-cooker. It was actually our publisher's idea, even though we've been into a Ninja Foodies and that for years. I wanted to do a pressure cooker one next, but we decided to sneak in a multi-cooker cookbook for you because we know so many of you have the Ninja Foodie now, or have both an Instant Pot and an air fryer. So it's just nice to do this for you. And then, of course, this time last year, we had just started on the renovation of our kitchen, and to say that it's now almost done. Our builder isn't responding to us. He's got a little bit of the roof to fix, and he hasn't finished getting us approval from the council for the building regs. So it's a bit gutting that that's still hanging over us, even though he hasn't set foot in the house since the summer. So that's a shame, really, but he doesn't respond to us anymore. But the kitchen looks lovely to people that are checking it out, and it's so nice to have brought you all these Christmas recipes, our first lot of Christmas recipes for you in our new kitchen. It just feels amazing to say that. And I've also borrowed my best friend Santa as well. So if you're watching this on YouTube, you'll be able to see him behind me. So if you're watching this video on YouTube, you'll be able to see him behind me. Isn't he a cute fella? But he keeps making everybody jump, so let me know if he's made you jump. You know, My best friend's son originally scared me with him. He had him when I wasn't expecting him, and he started making noise as I was walking through the door, and it scared me. And then I left it in the hallway before I did these videos, and anyone that popped by was, oh, where did that Santa come from? You know, because it's a big Santa, isn't it? But I thought it'd be cute for our Christmas videos for you. So I thought I'd introduce you to Santa. But of course, I hope you have enjoyed all the podcast episodes that we've brought you this year. And we're looking forward to next year and introducing you to some more gadgets. Gadgets that we've had for a while that we've just not got around to using. And we just love sharing our love for kitchen gadgets with you. We're huge fans of air fryers, instant pots, slow cookers. We love our Ninja Foodie and Ninja Speedy as well. And it's just so nice to just bring you recipe ideas and how much easier it can make meal times for you. It's just absolutely amazing. And we want to wish you a very happy Christmas, and we hope you have an amazing new year. I can't believe I'm saying happy 2026. I mean, it just feels like such a long time away, but it's going to be here before we know it, isn't it? So if you've got something nice planned for New Year's Eve, do tell me, because I would love to know. But it's a beautiful time of year, and we hope you have an amazing happy Christmas and New Year. And we'll be back in 2026 with some new podcast episodes. And we're starting our podcast episodes next year on some how-to, because a lot of you have asked a lot of questions about various things with the gadgets. So we wanted to share with you some more how-to style episodes. So that is coming soon. So we hope you have a lovely Christmas and New Year, and we'll see you in 2026. Thanks so much for listening. And you can find us on social media. We're on Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, and of course Instagram. And you know, you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel, or why not head over to KitchenGadgetsClub.com/newsletter and join our weekly newsletter, where we go into detail about all our favourite kitchen gadget recipes, tips, tricks and resources. And a ciao for now.